afternoon, everyone. Here again, Victor from Caribbeanamigosontwos. Today we're gonna have a short episode of some more slow speed maneuvers. We're gonna be doing the intersection in the 4U pattern. It's 4 U-turns where we're gonna be doing both of the exercises clockwise, counterclockwise. That way you know that it could be done both ways. Right now Orlando's not with us because Orlando is in a special training, motors training. So good luck to Orlando. Hopefully you'll get it done and he'll become part of the 2%. ejercicios que hicimos. Those were the exercises that I wanted to show you guys. Stay tuned for more videos here with us at Caribbean Amigos on Twos. Near future, I'm going to try to get some other videos done with Orlando. That way I can explain them while Orlando is doing the actual ride, or vice versa. We're going to have some more videos also on slow speed maneuvers coming up. So this is just the beginning. So stay tuned and continue to watch us at Caribbean Amigos on Twos. And if you're not a subscriber, just hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. Like our channel. All right, we have more videos coming up. Eso es todo por hoy, mi gente. Gracias por vernos a Caribbean Amigos on Twos y hasta la próxima semana.